3,000 years ago, the first home with gutters was built. 30 minutes later came the first gutter clog. For the next 3,000 years, it was up and down ladders to clean them. Frustration and falls followed. It wasn't pretty. Fast forward to 1981. Forget what was happening on the inside of a home in the 80s. On the outside, gutter history was changing forever. This piece of engineering genius, gutter helmet, made its debut. For the first time, rainwater flowed through a gutter cover and into the gutter channel, while debris fell harmlessly to the ground. No more cleaning gutters, no more clogs, no more ladders. All that involved count 'em, 7 design patents at work in gutter helmet. And since we had the patents, the Johnny-come-latelys trying to get in the game devised runner-up technology. Brush systems and flimsy, hard-to-install kits that put the Y in DIY. Worst of all, there were filter-based systems. That meant and still means clogged filters instead of clogged gutters. And a bill. But hey, if you're into rickety ladders and not enjoying your weekends, it's totally the right move. But I digress. Meanwhile, Gutter Helmet has proven itself over the last 40 years. We're still the undisputed, undefeated, and, as we mentioned, patented champion of never cleaning gutters again. Like never. Proudly made in the USA, where we the people are finding liberty from oak leaves, pine needles, and whatever the heck this is, not your problem anymore. So let's get started with a free expert evaluation. It took us 3,000 years to get to this moment. Make the most of it with Gutter Helmet.